Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions for lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, scroll down and find advanced features. Here open motions and gestures and now we can see them all. Let's check which of them work on a lock screen. So let's enable it all just in case. And the first one is lift to wake, and it should work like that. So we lock our phone, place it on a surface, then pick it up and it should wake from the lock screen. Let's try it out. It works now. I had some problems with it. For some reason it didn't work most of the time. Next one is double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. There's two options that we're gonna cover at once. And it works like that. So you lock your phone, double tap to wake up and double tap to lock again. So this feature works on the lock screen. And next is keep screen on while viewing. So if you keep looking on your phone, and it shouldn't lock. And this won't work on the lock screen. Obviously alert when phone is picked up. So if you enable it and place your phone, then lock the device, and if you receive any calls or messages while it was placed like that and you missed it, when you pick it up next time it will vibrate. So that's a nice feature and it should work on the lock screen. Second last is a mute with gestures. So if you place your phone upside down like that, it should mute all incoming calls. Also you can mute the call if you place your phone like that and you cover it with hand. And the last feature is a screenshot, which is kinda pointless on the lock screen, so I'm not gonna even try that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.